Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
Today is my brother's birthday.
Oh.
We're just going shopping first, and after we're heading to the river. Serve qualche borsa?
Soon we are arriving toward Arzino, which is a valley of the Carnic Alps in the region of the Udine and Pordenone. It's crossed by the stream Arzino and has a length of about 30 km. Before that, we want to stop at this viewpoint to do some quick drone shots.
Quite steep, we just arrived. We need to go down here. It's very slippery. We just need to be careful not to kill ourselves and the camera, but here is a bit better.
We are looking for the perfect spot.
Qua?
We are here in.
Arzino.
What a beautiful place.
The water is very cold, but people are saying it's warm. We just stopped at the edge of the road on the way back home. The view here is very nice.
It's a bit humid here, but otherwise it's amazing.
You can see Viluzza Beach. It's very popular among the young people here in Friuli Venezia Giulia. And there is even like a quite famous pub just by the beach. See you next time.
See you. Fine, we will cut them.